Cleetus and Cars is tomorrow. I absolutely cannot wait. Honestly, was not expecting this place to be a neighborhood. It's very interesting. I see it. Dude, that's look how big that thing is. Dude, no way. That's nuts. Oh my goodness. Holy crap. What's your name again?
Mark.
Mark, I'm Tristan, man.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Appreciate you letting me use your trailer, man.
Yeah, you bet. You bet. A trailer rental company, and I do some logistics, and so it's kind of a few things in one.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
Definitely a beautiful trailer. Absolutely.
I appreciate it. Here is, that's the coupler lock, if you ever need to unhook it, and there's the key for it.
Okay, cool.
The lock on there, it's engaged, and then the collar goes right around this right here. It's just to keep people from trying to hook it up and steal it from you. That's what it's designed for. You want to go inside and take a look at it?
Oh yeah, so let me put this in the back real quick.
All right, so inside, you got your spare tire,
Oh,
knock on wood, and then you got a toolbox. Inside that toolbox is going to be the E-track straps and E-rings that can be used anywhere throughout the...
So the straps to hold down the car in that toolbox.
Right.
Awesome.
Yeah, there's about
okay,
anywhere between 8. I haven't done an inventory in that box yet. There's at one point there was 10. There might be 8, but yeah, there should be plenty in there.
All right, awesome, man. This thing is massive. I've never pulled a trailer this big before. I've done U-Haul. I've done like dump truck trailers that are smaller, but this thing, whew, that sucker is tall.
Yeah, it's a big one. Yeah, the tires are pretty much brand new.
All right.
I mean, the trailer itself is only like 4 months old.
Wow.
Yeah.
So Mark is flipping the ball so that the ride height can be at a level pace because the back of the truck sinks very much. That's why I need to get a lift kit for this thing, because trailers like this I'm going to be getting in the future, and I gotta have ride height or I'm going to have problems every single time. Definitely huge thanks to Mark for letting me borrow his trailer. We got the trailer. Oh, well, we are on our way to Jeff's, so let's get this show on the road.
I think he's pretty gay.
Yeah.
He's definitely gay. Looks kind of clean. Look at him go. He's a retard. Oh. Look at this guy. Straighten it up, dear heart. What'd you say? Do you have any words?
We come from the Twinkies.
Yeah, we are. He's an idiot. Oh, yes.
Oh, look at that clearance right there. Oh, yes. Well, guys, we are on our way to Houston. 5.5 hours. Fun. Very fun. So, oh yeah. This is going to be a great trip. We just arrived at Buc-ee's, and it is crowded as fuck in here. Ooh, look at that car. Nice car.
You've been staring at it for the last 10 minutes.
I bet that's going to Cleetus Cars.
What the fuck are we doing here?
To hit cars, Jeff.
That's pretty gay.
And it took you 4 months to realize it's gay.
Yep.
And you're already in the truck.
Yep. Looks like I'm in for the ride now, buddy.
Yeah, it looks like you're walking home.
Nah. Not today. I'm taking the truck.
They arguing. But they're arguing. What? They were arguing.
Bitch. How do you know?
She was like, yeah, she was angry.
I don't know how.
Hurry up! I gotta park. I want to park. Tell me why we've driven around this area like 3 different times trying to find a place to park. Good Lord.
It's because everybody else is trying to do the same thing.
I don't understand a word you just said.
Awesome.
Let's get out and check the car and make sure everything's still good. Everything still appears to be good. Oh wow.
One of the straps came loose?
Yeah, one of the straps came loose. Dude, this one came loose too. Oh my god, it's nuts, but the car hasn't moved at all. Holy crap. This dude made a seal. He's gonna destroy this car with it by the end of tomorrow.
That's my job.
I don't know what the hell happened to this thing. Is this over the... Is this even on the wheel? No, dude. It's on the brake.
Oh, look at this wiener. Look at that fresh fade.
It's gotta jerk it sometimes.
Sorry, what was that?
Yes,
Can you repeat that motion, sir? I didn't catch that. One day you're gonna look at this footage. You're gonna realize how awesome this is.
Okay, you do this then.
I didn't diss you, sir.
You tried doing it.
I didn't diss you, sir. This is what you gotta read to yourself. Boy!
How's you watching? I'm not liking this video. We spent an hour and a half trying to strap this thing down.
Because we're retarded.
Yeah, pretty much. Corey, Jaden, where you guys at? We need y'all.
Gonna scoop this hog up real quick.
Yep. This is dirty. Nice. We're about an hour and a half away to the hotel, so we got till then. We just got back to the hotel, and I am super tired. But it's like almost 10 o'clock at night, and we just arrived. Like, unhooked the trailer, parked the truck, and everything. But go on the bright side. This hotel is pretty nice. They got a free ice dispenser. They got a soda machine. We need that for tomorrow. At least after tomorrow, the demo car will be trashed and gone. We're not coming back with it, so we should be good to go coming back home. That's pretty much it for today, guys. I'm tired. I'm probably gonna go to bed after I get some water or something. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Cleetus and Cars is tomorrow. Can't wait. I can't wait to see you guys out there. And I can't wait to do some demos. So, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.